Okay, so everyone, um, hi everybody. I'm tired. I just finished making a production of the whitening soap, and as you can see, I'm sleepy. I just decided to do this video. So a lot of people have been asking. Sorry for my voice. Actually, I'm so tired, and excuse me. A lot of people has been asking me like how to use their whitening soap and for face and body. For me, I would recommend, like, if you want to use your whitening soap, if you're having like any skin issue, like no skin tone, try to massage. So lather the soap in your hand and massage it all over your body, including your face, your neck, your back. If you can get somebody to rub it on your back for you, and leave it there for like 5 minutes, and then scoop another soap, lay it on your sponge, and then wash it off. That's how you use a whitening soap. So if you've been using your whitening soap as regular soap to take shower, you might not see the effect, but the best way to use it is to lather a little bit in your hand and your palm and put a little bit of water and just massage all over your body like you're rubbing a cream, including your face, your neck, your back from head to toe. So leave it there for like 5 minutes and then get in the shower and just wash it off. Do this for like maybe at least 3 times in a week, and the rest of the day you can just take bath as regular soap, and you start seeing the effect. And you make sure you're using scrub. You have to scrub your body. If you're not scrubbing your body, trust me, baby, you're not gonna see whitening soap, because I receive tons and tons of questions like, I want to use the soap to whiten myself. What is the direction? How can I use it? So this is the best way to use it. And if you're one of those type that have a sensitive skin, don't leave it more than 2 minutes and just get in the shower and just wash it off. So if you have any other questions, just like I said, feel free to contact me, and have a wonderful weekend.